Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. I will I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment help, exam help, quizzes help, or you want to do it for complete course. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, writing, economics, and many more courses. Okay, let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that insert a lookup function is equal to x lookup into F15, A5, A11, H5 to K11 in cell G15 on the attendance worksheet to calculate the 2027 total in G15 to J15. Okay, we will insert a lookup function in cell G15. Click on cell G15, scroll down, and you can click on cell in G15. Insert a lookup function in cell G15. Scroll down, and then we will enter function in cell G15 is here, is equal to x lookup function in here, x lookup function. Okay, formula is given in the question. You can see here. You will enter this formula x lookup function and then enter this ranges F15, A5 to A11, and then H5 to K11. Okay, F15 and then A5 to A11, then H5 to K11, H5 to K11, A5 to A11, then H5 to K11. You will follow my video and you will got A plus grade in your exam. You can see this. I am doing this exam for you. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Okay, then press enter. Okay, this question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. In cell B22 enter a function to calculate the minimum attendee for the years 2027. Okay, enter in cell B22, click on cell B22, enter a function to calculate the minimum attendee for the years 2027. First we will press is equal to, and then enter a minimum function is here, main function. You can here main function. I am doing this exam very slow because my all student will be understand very well. Don't worry, I am really sorry for this doing for slowing, because only for you will understand very well. first we will enter is equal to, then enter main function, and then calculate the minimum attendee for years 2027 F5 to F11. Okay, then press enter. Okay, main function, and then enter this range, then press enter. In cell B22 enter the function to calculate the maximum attendee for the years. Okay, click on cell B23, then press is equal to, then we will enter max function is here. You will enter max function is here. Okay, max function, and then enter this here range F5 to F11 for 2027 years, F5 to F11, and then press enter. F5 to F11 and then press enter. Okay, it will be find maximum attendee in here. Okay, in cell B70 enter a function that will count the number of located the job fair was held in 2027 using the values in F5 to F11. Here is we will enter up in cell B17, we will enter a count function. Okay, and we will enter the function that will count the number of locations the job fair was held in 2029 using the value in F5 to F11. Okay, in cell B17 first we enter is equal to, then enter count function, enter count function in here. Enter count function in here. Okay, and then enter range is F5 to F11. F5 to F11 is range. Okay, then press enter. It will find total locations. Okay, I am doing this exam very slow because my all student will be understand very well. This question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. In cell B20 enter a function to calculate the average attendee for all of the locations for the years 2027. In cell B20, okay, in cell B20 enter a function, scroll down and click on cell B20, then enter a function to calculate the average. Scroll down first, then click on cell B20. Okay, enter a function to calculate the average attendee for all of the locations for the years 2027. Average function, enter average function is here. You can double click on this function average function, and then location for the years 2027 F5 to F11, and then press enter. It will find average attendees here. Okay, F5 to F11 is the 2027 locations of years, then press enter. It will be find all is here. Question is completed. Now moving on. Next question is that in cell H5 create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by cell F12 using relative cell references. Okay, first we will click on cell H5 to create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by F12. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description shown on my PC screen. We will enter this formula is equal to and then divide F12 by F5 by F12 and relative cell references. F5 is that. Create a formula to divide the values in cell F5 divided by F12 and then press enter. It will be find 27% of totals. Okay, enter dollar sign. For dollar sign press shift and then press 4. Click on shift and then press 4 for dollar sign. Okay, F12 is here, F$12, $F$12 and then press enter. It will be found. Copy the function in H6 to H11. You can copy this function H6 to H11. Okay, log at cell H6 and then undo the action of copying the formula since it usually using a relative cell references. In this question we will look at cell H6 and then undo the action of copying the formula. Okay, look at cell H6 then undo the action of copying. You can do this. Correct the formula in cell H5 by making cell F12 as absolute references. Copy the formula to the range H6 to H11. Okay, correct the formula in cell H5. F5 over F5 divided by dollar sign F12. Then press enter. It will be done. Copy the formula to the range H6 to H11. You can copy this formula to the range H6 to H11. Okay, this question is completely done. I have done half exam right now. Now moving on next question. In cell B21 insert a function to calculate the median attendee for the years 2027. Okay, first we will click on cell B20, then we will insert a function to calculate the median attendance for the years 2027. Okay, you will follow my video. Please, you will follow my video and subscribe my channel. If you will follow my video and you will see my complete video, you will got A+ grade. If you do not able to do your exam, you will contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this exam for you with A+ grade with very reasonable prices, and I will do complete course for you. Click on cell B21. First we will press is equal to and then insert a function to calculate the median attendee for the years 2027. Is equal to and enter median function is here. You can enter median function in here. Okay, double click on this function and then this function will be added here. Median function is here. You can tap this function or you can double click on this median. It function will be added here, and then here is 2027 F5 to F11. F5 to F11. This range is F5 to F11. This is attendance for the years 2027. Then press enter. It will be fine. This you can see this question is completely done right now. Now moving on next question is that in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the total admission fees collected for the 2027 alternate spring job fair using a mixed cell references for the B14. First we will click on cell I5, then we will enter a formula to calculate the total admission fees is here F5 to F11 collected F5 multiplying by F11 2027 total admission fees will be found. We will multiply this of 2027 collected for the 2027 F5 multiplying by B dollar for dollar sign, click shift and 4. Okay, B14, then press enter. it will be fine. Admission fees is here. You can see this. Copy the formula I6 to I11. Copy the formula this I6 to I11. Okay, this question is completely done right now. You can see I have done 85% of this exam. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. I can do all courses on Cengage, PSN, Blackboard and many more colleges and websites. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much my all students. Thank you so much.